Time management secret. Welcome to this episode. Okay, I want to share something with you. This is called decluttering. What it means is you remove something that you don't need to use it at all. Research has already shown if you haven't used the items for more than 24 months, the chance you're going to pick it up is less than 50%. Example, like your desk, your working desk there, have you got any stationery that you're not going to use? Any paper or file, anything that you're not using for the current or previous project, file them. Second example, like your desktop or your laptop, have you got any file that you used it before but you don't use it now for the last 12 months? File them so that you can think clearly. When you have less things cluttering your mind, you can't think clearly. So don't forget, do your decluttering so that you can have more time to think of or do something that is more important and highly valuable. I'll see you in the next episode. Bye for now.